There are some website owners out there focusing only on SEO and not PPC. What will your advice be for them?
Well, there are quite a few website owners that are only doing SEO and not PPC. And, I can understand that. SEO has a certain allure. You're getting free clicks that would cost you money if you were doing PPC. And it's also kind of, it's kind of fun to do. You're kind of taking advantage of Google's formula in a way. You're kind of, you're doing some strategies that help you rank higher. So it can be fun. But yeah, there's a lot of website owners that are doing SEO and not PPC because SEO clicks are free, and PPC clicks cost money, and they can be quite expensive. And so I totally understand the reasoning behind that. What I want to do is kind of explain to some of those people that are only doing SEO some of the benefits that they can get by doing PPC at the same time. So first of all, let's look at the topic of search in general. If you're doing SEO and you're getting a lot of sales from it and you're doing well with it, you know how effective search is. Just the concept of search. When a customer searches for a particular product, they're basically telling Google that they want to find pages that have that product, and they're generally ready to buy. If they type in a consumer product, they're generally looking to buy that product. They might be doing some research first, but they're doing research only to buy. And so when somebody types something into Google that's a product, they're looking to buy that product. And so it's very powerful because the traffic that comes through the search engines is very motivated traffic that's ready to buy, and traffic that's telling you exactly what they're looking for. They're ready to buy, and they're telling you exactly what they're looking for. So search is a very powerful means of advertising. And so if you're having success with SEO, you already understand how powerful search is, and by expanding to PPC as well, you can really double your efforts or double your return. Now, let's think of this in another way. When you type in a search into Google and the page comes up, there's a certain amount of area on that page. There's a certain amount of square inches on that page. Now, the more of that square inches that you can own, the more of that area, more of that surface area that you can own by having your advertisements on there, the better that is for you. And so if you already own an SEO spot in the organic listings, why not double your square inches by having a PPC ranking in there as well, in the sponsored listings, right? So, a lot of people think, okay, I'm getting the #1 ranking in the free listings of SEO, why would I pay for traffic as well? Well, there's a number of reasons. I mean, you want to own as much space possible because some people will see one ad, some people will see the other. You got to realize web surfers don't have a lot of patience. They're not looking at every single word on the page. They're not looking at every single listing. Something catches their eye and they click on it. That's really the way it works. If you look at the habits of web surfers, something catches their eye and they click on it. And so by being on there twice, by owning more of the square inches, you're getting a lot more advertising power. The other thing is you can vary your messages. You can have one message in your PPC, in the sponsored ad, another type of message in the SEO. You could vary it up a little bit to attract different customers.